are going to start our interactive notebook, and when you come to class, I will give you this packet. We're going to start with the first page is about you. Your job is going to be to, whether you draw, whatever you want to do. It doesn't have to be like the way that I'm going to show you that I did mine. You're going to put something on there. It's about you. The first page. And so I just have pictures that are about me. I'm a farmer. I've been married for 28 years, 17 years of teaching. This is my granddaughter. My husband and I, whoop, that's not good. My husband and I do a youth group on Friday nights. And I like to play guitar and ukulele. Okay, so whatever it is about yourself, you can put down what you'd like to do in the future. If you're draw, whatever. Like my granddaughter, when she did her notebook, she, drew a butterfly. It's about you, things that you like. So just talk about yourself a little bit on your About Me page. Okay, that's the first page. The first thing I need you to do, though, is I do need you to put your name and General Algebra 1. So if you lose your notebook, somebody can return it to you. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to number your pages in the bottom corner. Start with 1, because we have a table of contents in here so that you can easily flip to whatever section. This is called an Interactive Student Notebook, ISN. So 1, and then flip the page and go to the outside and put 2. Go to the outside and put 3. All the way to the bottom corner on the outside. I want you to number all the way up to page 30. Evens will be on the left, odds will be on the right. Keep going all the way up to 30. All right. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your first page that has the rubric on it. This is the rubric. It's on the very first page of your packet. You don't have to fold it in half. Just make sure you cut down. Go on page 2. And so we're just going to cut it out. Maybe I want to trim it a little bit. It's up to you. It's your notebook. When you are not here on Wednesday and Thursday, you will see me do this on videos. You will have to do this at home as well because we take notes all the time. Some assignments were missed last week for Wednesday and Thursday when you were not here, so I put zeros in. And now they're in Power School as zeros. You can go back and correct your work. So please make sure you are looking for Wednesday and Thursday assignments. Now, about taping these in, the best way to tape these in, we're going to take a look at the rubric and see how you can earn the most points. The best way to tape these in is just to do 4 corners. Small pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all 4 corners. So go ahead and tape that in on all 4 corners. Now remember that in the syllabus, it says that the interactive student notebook is going to count twice what the homework is. Mrs. Hall must put a lot in store for these notebooks. She must think that they're something that are very important for your education. Remember, we're going to do activities in here. We're going to journal in here. We're going to take notes in here. So it's your go-to place for a lot of things. The next page, what you're going to do is called the table of contents. You have guiding lines that are going down the side right here. And then the first 2 lines you are going to outline with a pen. So you have red lines that are on the side of the book that can guide you going down. And then 2 across the top. This is the table of contents. You don't need to worry about filling all this stuff in right now that's here. I just want you to do table of contents. On the left-hand side is where we're going to put our date. On the right-hand side is where we're going to put page numbers. All right, just table of contents on the top of pages 4, 5, and 6, just so we remember that these pages are actually for the table of contents. So on pages 4, 5, and 6, write down table of contents on the top. Page 6, one more time. We're going to fill this notebook up this year. So we're going to need table of contents so that we can easily find topics if we're looking for them on a test, a midterm, a final. Instead of looking through the whole notebook, you can check like a table of contents in a regular book. What do you use table of contents for? To see where to go and navigate in a book. The next page, on page 7, my goals 2020. Number 1, I want you to think of one goal for yourself for this school year. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to think about a goal and write down a goal that you have for yourself. How would you like to grow as a freshman this year at Spruce Mountain High School? Think of something to grow in. What is your goal? That was page 7, my goals. And the last page for today is page 8, growth mindset. You have a homework assignment tonight that is about growth mindset. It's an ed puzzle. You'll have some prompts and questions to answer through the 8-minute video. Then you're going to do a quick right here, 50 words, at least 50 words. Google Classroom, classwork. You're going to see from now on at the top, it's going to say the date of the week from September 21st to September 24th. Every time it's going to be, your homework's going to be at the top, so you're not having to search for it. It says Monday, and this right here means it's a resource. The next one is the assignment. It says due tomorrow. So let's take a look at your resources to see what's in there. It says that we set up our interactive notebook. I have included that packet. This is for people who are on remote, fully remote for cohort C. I've attached the packet that I handed out in class today. That packet is about notes and homework, but I'm not going to be assigning all the homework problems in there. I usually have a worksheet like that, and I'll pick a few problems out of it. So don't feel like you're going to have to do all those problems. I just wanted you guys to have a packet, and then I could say, okay, I want you to do 1 through 10. On page 7, your homework is to write a goal that you have for this school year. That's part of your homework, okay, number 1. Number 2 is ed puzzle, growth mindset. Then you're going to write at least 50 words on page 8 about your growth mindset. You're going to take a picture of it and you're going to upload it. Where are you going to upload it to? That's what this is for right here, growth mindset. This is where you're going to go in and you're going to upload that picture of what you wrote, okay? That is today's work, and that is today's class.